Vectors, previous year questions, HSC class 12. Okay, this is the question is asked in March 2019. So question says that find the value of P if the vectors I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap, 2I cap minus 5j cap plus p k cap and 5I cap minus 9j cap plus 4k cap are coplanar. So if vectors are coplanar, you know that when the vectors are coplanar, A dot B cross C is equal to 0. Okay, A dot B cross C is equal to 0, then vectors are coplanar. A dot B cross. This is called also box method. I explained box method is there. So when the vectors are coplanar, collinear means what? Collinear means a vector is expressed in lambda times another vector, that is collinear. Coplanar means A dot B cross C is equal to 0. If A dot B cross C equal to 0, then the vectors are called collinear. So first one, A vector is what? What is a vector? I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. Means first vector I am taking A. Second vector I am taking as 2I cap minus 5j cap plus pk cap. And the third vector is 5I cap minus 9j cap plus 4k cap. If the box is 0, A dot B cross C is 0, then the vectors are coplanar. Three vectors are said to be coplanar if their box is 0. So box how to find? Box to find, there is one method, matrix determinant method is there. So what you do here, A dot B cross C, we use the finding by the matrix determinant method, right? So what to do here, there are two methods we have. So first, this is the easiest method. So what to do here, you just take the components of the first vector 1, minus 2, 1, k component is 1, I component is 2, j component is minus 5, k component is p here, and then 5, next one is minus 9 plus 4 is equal to 0. If you apply this one, you are going to get the value of p. So this is very simple question. They are asking for 2 marks every year, such questions. So you should know this idea. Vectors are coplanar, then their box will be 0. Okay, understood? Now let us find this determinant value and find the p value. Okay, you can start now. Now 1 into, you know that 1 into 5 4s are 20 minus 20. Okay, this is closed. You know that here when you are taking here, you close this one. 5 4s are 20. Already matrices you have learned. Plus 9 into p, 9p. Minus, already minus, and here you have minus 2, so plus 2 will get. And this is closed. 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 5p. And plus 1 into, you get as 2 9s are 18 minus 18 plus 5 5s are 25 is equal to 0 you have to take. So this implies what I am going to get here, minus 20 plus 9p plus 16 minus 10p minus 18 plus 25 is equal to 0. So here p's are 9p minus 10p is minus p. So numbers are 25 plus 16. Positive numbers you have to add first. 25, 16. So 41. Okay. 41. And next negative numbers are minus 20 minus 18. That is minus 38. So if you subtract here, you are going to get here 3. Positive 3, so plus 3 is equal to 0. So minus p is equal to minus 3 plus 3 minus plus cancel, p equal to 3 is the answer. So whenever questions comes like that, when the vectors are coplanar, you have to find the value of anything, then just use this formula and get the answer. So just use this cross box method. Just use the box method, you get the answer. Definition for coplanar is 2 or more vectors lie in the same plane or in the parallel plane. ये अभी एक plane है, this board is a plane. On this board, that vectors are staying in that. Two or more vectors lying in the same plane, they are called coplanar. So here three vectors are lying in the same plane. So these three vectors are coplanar is said. So we have to take box is 0. Okay? Let's see next question. See here, this is again 2019 question. We are discussing March 2019 HSC class 12 questions. So volume of parallelepiped already explained in JE also. So volume of, so just go to the notes, my notes. My notes is most enough for anything, even boards or anywhere. Boards, NDA, NTSE, anywhere it is okay. KVPY direct questions came, you know, from my notes. Same integration question came. Which I taught, same question came in KVPY day before yesterday. Many questions came. NDA तो ज़्यादा आते हैं, JEE में भी आते हैं सर, सब में आते हैं सर. You followed my notes ना? You can write, give any exam. You write MHCET, you can give JEE, you can give any exams. You have to prepare notes proper. नहीं, इसलिए मैंने पढ़ाया था वॉल्यूम ऑफ पैरेललेपिपेड फॉर्मूला क्या है. Just take that my notes and prepare it proper. Volume of parallelepiped is what? Box ABC. And box ABC is called as volume of parallelepiped. That is A vector dot B cross C. Box ABC can be written as what? A vector dot B cross C. So there is two methods we have. B cross C how to do, you know? Do you know B cross C how to do? But whenever you have box, that is easiest way is determinant way is easiest. You can do this question two ways. You can find B cross C and do the dot product with A vector. You can find B cross C, then do the dot product with A vector. That is one method. Another method is what? What is another method? Directly using the determinant form. So easiest way is determinant form. Determinant find out करो. इसका determinant ही answer होगा. So this is A. A is 2i plus 5j minus 4k cap. B, this is B. B is 5i plus 7j plus 5k cap. You have to write this one. A is equal to this, B is equal to this, C is equal to this. Then you have to write. C is equal to this, C vector. So box ABC, volume of parallelepiped equal to box ABC. See, parallelepiped proof deleted. HSC class 12 proof deleted, but problems are not deleted. इसके ऊपर problem आएगा. So what do you do here? 2, 5 minus 4 and you can take here 5, 7, 5 and 4, 5 minus 2. Find the determinant, that is your answer. That is the volume. But volume you should write in cubic units. If you forget to write cubic units, then half mark will be deducted. So volume he asked, so you have to write cubic units. So 2 into what you write here? 2 into 7 to the minus 14 minus 25 minus 5 closed here, 5 to the minus 10 4 5 is 20 here minus 4 into here 5 5 is 25 minus 28. So what I get here? 2 into minus, yes, minus 39 minus 5 into minus 30 minus 4 into minus 3. So 78 and minus 78 plus 150 plus 12. Correct? Is it right? So 162 minus 78. So carry on here. So you get here 12 minus 8, 4. You'll be having 15 minus 7. So 15 minus 7 is 84. Correct? 84 cubic units. 84 cubic units. So this is the way to find the volume of parallelepiped. Already you know volume of parallelepiped I explained, na? Take it. See here, A comma B comma C are the position vectors of the points A, B, C respectively. Okay. Then A vector क्या होगा? A vector is equal to ए वेक्टर इक्वल टू -7i, ये मैंने पढ़ाया था ना कल, हाउ यू गेट पोजीशन वेक्टर, एक बार दिखाता हूँ सुनो, हाउ यू गेट पोजीशन वेक्टर, सपोज this is the 3 dimension, I will show you how you get also. This is a 3 dimension, yesterday I told you, if a point A is there somewhere, any plane, we don't know which plane it is there, okay, if I take x, y, z, then I can write it, positive, negative, so just you have a, assuming here it is there here, -7, 4, -2, okay, -2. So if you join this O vector, this is the O vector 0, 0, 0. If I join this A point to O vector, and this is called as OA vector, and the position vector is A. Let us take this is as a vector. So OA vector is the position vector. So A vector will get how much here? How you get here? This minus this. OA vector is equal to what I told you. OA vector we write as A vector minus O vector. So A vector क्या है? -7, 4, -2 या 0, 0, 0. तो आपको डायरेक्टली यही आएगा. So A vector is nothing but position. When you do with origin, yesterday I explained, with you do with origin and with you do with numbers, different it is. So origin it is there, so -7i cap plus 4j cap minus 2k cap. Next one B vector is what here? -2i cap plus j cap plus 0k cap. So 0k cap no need to write. C vector is what here? C vector is 3i cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap. I told you, when the vectors are collinear, when they are collinear, if one vector is expressed some lambda times another vector, one vector is expressed some lambda times another vector, then the vectors are collinear. Understood? Sorry, collinear है बोला ना मैंने कल. तो अभी क्या करना है? What you have to do? नहीं, आपको क्या करना है अभी? See here. Okay, now what you have to do here? Now I will find AB vector. AB vector is equal to B minus A, है ना? AB vector is equal to what? B minus A. So B minus A means B vector minus A vector. So I am finding AB vector. Then I may find AC vector. If I find one vector some lambda times another vector, they are collinear. So AB vector is, I can write as B minus A. So B is what? B minus A. So then do it here now. B is what here? Minus 2i plus j minus A vector is what? Minus 7i plus 4j minus 2k vector, 2k cap. So now we do subtraction this one. Here this is minus 2, I component I am adding, I component. I am gathering the I component. Minus into minus plus 7. So this is I component. Here is a j component. J component here 1. Okay. And here j component will be plus into minus minus 4 j component. Okay. There is no k component here, but directly here you get minus into minus plus 2k component. Are you getting it what I did? So AB vector value how much I am getting? AB vector is equal to, AB vector I am getting here how much? 5i cap minus 3j cap plus 2k cap I got. This is AB vector. Okay, AB vector is this. मैंने बोला ना AB vector बोले तो क्या है? B minus A. अच्छा, AB vector over. Now you take another vector. BC you take or AC you take, anything. You find that one. If you get one vector some lambda times another vector, we can say they are what? Collinear. We can say they are what? Collinear. So do it. Do it. देखो, AC vector is equal to C vector minus A vector. C vector is what? C vector, where is C? 3i cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap. See, this is the C vector. Minus A vector. C minus A. You can write as C vector minus A vector. C vector I wrote. A vector is what? Minus 7 I cap plus 4 j cap minus 2 k cap. Okay, now I get as 3 minus into minus plus 3 plus 7 I cap minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 j cap. Now plus 2 plus 2, that is 4 k cap. So I got here, this I got as 10 I cap minus 6 j cap plus 4 k cap. Is there is a relationship between AB and AC? Look at that. Is there is a relationship between AB and AC? It is multiplying 2 times. You observe carefully. AB vector can be expressed as 2 times of AC vector. So I told now, if a vector is expressed some lambda times another vector, then the vectors are collinear, hence proved. 2018 question. 2018 this question is asked. So already I explained this model in the previous also 2007, 19 also they asked. So please do this one. Okay, I'll write next question. 2018 questions from vectors are this. So the first question already you know you can do that, you get 25 answer. Second question, for this one I am giving you theory part. Just I will give you 2 lines, write down. I will tell you, write down. What is the form I will tell. The vector equation of a line, write down. The vector equation of a line. Whenever vector equation of a line given, you have to write like this, write down. The vector equation of a line passing through a point. Write down. Vector equation of a line passing through a point with position vector, A bar. See there, look at there, position vector A. Vector equation of a line passing through a point with the position vector A and parallel to vector B is given by R is equal to A vector plus lambda times B vector. This is called as vector equation. Is given by A vector plus lambda times B vector. So this is the thing you should know. Whenever they ask you vector equation of a line passing through a point with the position vector and with this direction. Parallel means direction. Whenever they said parallel, they given the direction. So what you can write answer? Now what is the equation of the vector now? Equation of the vector R is equal to, now given point is this. What is the given point here? What is the given point? 4i minus j plus 2k. So I can write as 4i minus j plus 2k. Okay, cap plus lambda times B vector, parallel given na, parallel direction is same. Parallel means direction is given in the sense. So lambda times minus 2i plus j plus k is the answer. This is the answer. So they asked for 2 marks this one. See here, listen this question. After that you can write. First listen, after that you write. First listen, stop writing and listen. If the origin is the centroid of the triangle, a triangle is there whose centroid is origin. Okay, centroid is origin means it is a 3, you just think that it's a 3-dimensional, okay, 3-dimensional it is there, axis, center is 0, 0, 0. And is saying centroid G is 0, 0, 0, 0. So he is saying that origin is the centroid, means 0, 0, 0 is the centroid. Whose vertices are given? This is the vertex A is 2, P, minus 3. Vertex B is Q, minus 2, 5. Vertex C, R. This is the given R. R is minus 5, 1, R. A triangle is there whose vertices are given and the centroid is given, asking to find P, Q, R values. Centroid G is equal to, formula is centroid G is equal to A vector plus B vector plus C vector upon 3. Centroid G is equal to, what is the formula? Let the position vectors are A, B, C here. So position vector of A, see, let position vectors are, let us take, right, let position vectors are, with this one, see here, position vector will be A vector, OA position vector, this G and G, this OA position vector is A vector is equal to, you get as 2i cap plus pj cap minus 3k cap. BG position vector B is equal to, that is qi cap minus 2j cap plus 5k cap. And C is here, this is C in the sense we are taking RG is the C vector is equal to minus 5i cap plus 1j cap plus rk cap. So I wrote the position vectors of these vectors, this one, this point, position vector from the origin we wrote, these are the position vector. Centroid G is equal to, we can write as centroid G is equal to I 0 into I cap plus 0 into j cap plus 0 into k cap. This is the centroid. Now we can use this formula here. G I can write as I 0 into I cap, 0 into j cap, 0 into k cap is equal to A vector plus B vector plus C vector upon 3. So A vector is what? What is A vector here? A vector is what? 2i plus pj minus 3k cap plus, okay, and B vector is what here? qi cap minus 2j cap plus 5k cap. उसके बाद plus C vector is what here? Plus C vector is plus minus 5i cap plus j cap plus rk cap divided by 3. So this is what we are using here. Centroid formula, even in here, you know, one special video I made it in vectors also. When I am teaching vectors, for both special one video I have made it. Two videos I made it, 2-3 videos I made it both special. Vector JE when I explained. At that time these questions also I explained. One 40 minutes video is there. It is only for the board's purpose. I will share it, you learn that. That is very important. Now see here, G is equal to A vector plus B vector plus C vector upon 3. तो क्या होगा ये 0 into I cap plus 0 into J cap plus 0 into K cap is equal to I component, all I you can gather it. I component what I get here, tell me. I is here 2 plus Q minus 5 into I cap plus P, here P minus 2 plus 1 J cap. Okay, now next what you get here? This one. So plus you write inside minus 3 plus 5 plus R into K cap divided by 3. Means what I have done here, I have added all I's, I cap, J cap components and K cap components. Now we have to compare these both, because these both the vectors are equal. When vectors are equal, if their direction and magnitude is same, sorry. So now what you can write here, this one equal to this one equal to this, that one equal to this. It means that what I want to say here, 3 I divide this one, 3 I divide to separate each one. If I separate 3 separate and equal it, you will get the Q value, P value, R values. That's it. Please note down. से अभी इक्वलेट करो, इधर क्या होगा, सी इफ आई इक्वलेट 2 प्लस क्यू माइनस 5 अपॉन 3 इज इक्वल टू 0, राइट. p minus 2 plus 1 upon 3 is equal to 0. Another one, minus 3 plus 5 plus r upon 3 equal to 0. 3 into 0, 0. So q minus 3 is equal to 0. Cross multiplication. 3 into 0, 0. q minus 5 minus 2 minus 3 equal to 0. Here 3 into 0, 0. 5 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 equal to 0. 3 into 0, 0. 5 minus 3, that is plus 2 plus r equal to 0. So q value will be 3, p value will be 1, r value will be minus 2.